Today, we've got something that's been causing quite a buzz in the world of design and creativity. We're talking about Canva and its incredible AI-powered magic studio. All right, let's get to it. Have you ever dreamed of effortlessly creating stunning designs, presentations, videos, or even transforming images using the power of AI? Well, you're in for a treat. Canva's new Magic Studio is changing the game. We'll guide you through the top 10 Canva AI functions that can take your creativity to new heights. And hey, stick around till the end because we're about to reveal some exciting Canva features. But before we jump into the magic, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up to show your support. That way, you won't miss any of our exciting content in the future. Okay, let's get started and craft something truly extraordinary with the power of AI. Part 1. Canva AI for Design. Designing something no longer requires manual effort or relying on dull templates. Now you can simply instruct AI to craft a design in your desired style. To do this, go to Canva's main screen, open the Magic Studio menu, and choose Magic Design. Click the Give Magic Design a Try button. Next, describe the style you want for your design in the provided input bar and hit Enter. Canva AI will then generate various designs based on your description. Pick the design you like the most and click the Customize this template button to make any necessary adjustments. Part 2. Canva AI for Presentation. From the Magic Studio dashboard, select the Magic Design for Presentation option. Click the Try Magic Design button to proceed. Canva AI will instantly create 2 basic presentation pages for you. Now, express your desired presentation content in the input bar, using plain language, and press Enter to generate your presentation. Select the design you prefer and click Apply both pages to use your current choice. Part 3. Canva AI for Video. Now, let's employ the AI-powered design magic to produce a video. In the Magic Studio menu, click the Magic Design for Video option. Hit the Try Magic Design button to start. You'll need to upload at least 3 media files, which can be images or videos. Once the uploads are complete, explain the type of video you wish to create and press the Generate button to initiate the video making process. Canva AI will automatically merge all your media and text into a cohesive video. Part 4. Canva Text to Image. Canva has enhanced its artificial intelligence image creator and plans to soon introduce its text to video feature. To access this tool from the Magic Studio dashboard, simply click on the Text to Image option. Afterward, click the Give it a Try button to proceed. Input your text or paste it into the provided box. Choose your image style and aspect ratio, and then click on the Generate Your Image button to initiate the creation of your AI-generated image. Part 5. Canva AI Background Remover. This AI capability is specifically designed to effortlessly eliminate the background from your photo, allowing you to make adjustments with ease. Begin by opening the photo you wish to edit within the Canva editor. Once your photo is selected, click on the Edit Photo button and select the BG Remover option. Canva's AI will then automatically erase the background from your image. Once the background is removed, you can replace it with a new one from Canva's photo collection. Head to the Elements menu, input your desired background keyword, select a background that complements your photo, right-click on the image, and choose the Set Images Background option. If necessary, resize and reposition your photo accordingly. Part 6. Canva AI Object Remover. This AI functionality is designed to eliminate undesired objects from your photo. To utilize it, open the photo you want to edit in the Canva editor. Once your photo is selected, click on the Edit Photo button and opt for the Magic Eraser feature. The cursor will transform into a brush tool. Click and drag over the object you wish to remove, and Canva will proceed to erase the selected object. In some instances, Canva's AI may not completely remove the object, so you may need to repeat this process until the object is entirely gone. Part 7. Canva AI Magic Expand. Similar to tools in Midjourney or Adobe Photoshop, this feature lets you make your image bigger or wider. Begin by opening the photo you wish to change in Canva's editor. Adjust your picture's position and size if required. When your photo is selected, hit the Edit Photo button and select Magic Resize. Then, choose your desired size adjustment and click Resize Image to create the new AI image. You'll receive 4 results from Canva AI. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, you can create a new image by clicking Generate New Results. Once you're content with the image, click Done to save it. Part 8. Canva AI Magic Edit. This AI tool is meant for editing or swapping objects in a photo with new AI elements. Start by opening the photo you want to modify in Canva's editor. With your photo chosen, Click Edit Photo and choose Magic Alteration. Adjust the brush size if necessary, then pick the object you want to change and click Continue. Describe what you want to add or change in the prompt box using natural language. Click Generate to start producing your new AI object. Choose the best result and click Done to save the chosen version. Part 9. Canva AI Magic. Grab. This AI function is intended for isolating objects in your photo, allowing you to move, resize, or reposition them within the image. Open the photo you want to modify in Canva's editor. After selecting your photo, click the Edit Photo button and opt for Object Extraction. Canva AI will detach objects from your image and create a new AI background. Now you can relocate or resize your objects within the photo. Part 10. Canva AI Grab Text. This AI feature lets you separate any text from your photo so you can make edits or remove it as needed. Start by opening the photo you want to edit in Canva's editor. After selecting your photo, click the Edit Photo button and choose Text Extraction. Canva AI will separate the text from the background, enabling you to make necessary edits or remove the text. That's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this video on using Canva's incredible AI features super helpful. But before we go, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content. And if you want to stay updated on more fantastic tech tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Just click that subscribe button below. Now tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Canva AI feature? Have you tried any of them out yet? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment down below. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to share those too. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, this has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.